Good day everyone. This is Basic Math Gaming. For our math lesson number 1, this is our topic, the law of exponent. Let us first talk about the power. A power is a number or variable written with an exponent. So basically, this x squared is a power, wherein the x is what we call the base and 2 is the exponent. And take note that the exponent tells us how many times we will multiply the base. So in this case, we will multiply the base, which is x, twice. The first law of exponent that we will discuss today is what we call the product rule. So according to the product rule, when multiplying powers with the same base, keep the base and add the exponent. So let us see this example. So when multiplying powers with the same base, so makikita natin dito that the base is a, which is the same. So all we need to do is to keep the base and then add the exponent. So in this case, the exponent is m and n, so we just add the exponent. Okay, so another example is this. 2 cubed times 2 to the power of 4. So we will apply the product rule. So when multiplying powers with the same base, keep the base. So we will simply keep the base and then add the exponent. We can write 2 raised to 7 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 and times 2. 2 raised to 7 is equal to 128. Okay? So next example, let us try to solve y raised to 6 times y raised to 2. Anyway, pwede nyo lang i-apply ang product rule kapag merong same base. Tatandaan nyo yan. Okay? So in this case, we can apply the product rule. This is because we have same base y. Ang gagawin natin, we will simply keep the base and then add the exponent. And then let us simplify. So y raised to 6 plus 2 is equal to y raised to 8. So this is our answer for this example. Okay, next. 5a to the 4th times 2a cubed. So in this type of example, we have a numerical coefficient greater than 1. So which is 5 and 2. We simply first multiply it since the operation is multiplication. So 5 times 2 is equal to 10. And then we have the same base a. Apply the product rule, just copy or just skip the base and then add the exponent, which is 4 plus 3. And then let us simplify. We have 10 a raised to 7. So this is our answer. So ano kayang sagot dito, guys? I-comment nyo yung sagot nyo sa comment section. Okay, so yun lang. Sana naintindihan nyo. Kung meron kayong kakilala or friend na mahilig sa math, i-share nyo to sa kanila. Follow for more.